You got 30 seconds.
Yeah.
All right, you're out. Winner stays. Let me get a fresh one from right here. Go. Always be on guard. He could be right there in front of you. He's hit. Let me get a fresh one over here. One right here. Not yet, not yet. Just stay back for a little bit. I'll give you some time. Hurry up. Yeah, get out if you're out. Get out if you're out. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Just keep going, keep going. He's hit. Let him out. All right, go back a little bit. Just get back. We got one right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Winner stays.
What's going on?
It's in. It's live.
Live?
30 seconds. He's hit. All right. Got one over here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Dead man coming out.
Let the dead guy out. Watch for the dead guy. Hurry up. No, you can't go that way.
Come out.
Yep. He's hit.
I don't know who hit who first.
Both hit then. You're out. Both you're out. Let's get a fresh one-on-one. Go out that way. Yeah, go out that way. One-on-one. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Winner stays. You got 30 seconds. He's out. Winner stays. Hurry up. Get out. We need one over here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hold on. Hold on. This dead guy coming out. Go, 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 go. How many guys over there haven't done it? 3 guys? Okay. How many hasn't done it yet? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You just got to go for it. There's only one guy. No, no, no. He's hit?
Yeah.
He broke a leg?
Almost.
All right, one more on this side. Go.
Yeah. Oh, my nuts.
After this last kill, we'll go 2 on 2.
Hey, dead man. Dead man.
Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, 30 seconds. $15 seconds. He's hit?
Yeah.
All right, let's get 2 guys over there. 1 guy, replenish this guy. He's still in here, 1 guy in here. Go, 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 go. 2 guys on 2, let's go right now. You got 15 seconds. Don't blind fire, man.
Oh, my bad.
He's hit.
What's that? Me?
He's hit. No. All right, he's hit. All right, you guys stay in there. 2 more over here. Let's go. Be on guard. He's hit. Whoa. All right. Let's back up a little bit.
Hey, back up.
Let's back up a little. 2 more in there right now. Go. All right, there. That's good enough. Good enough. Be on guard. Be on guard. Huh? I don't know what happened at Thunderbee. Yeah, everything goes. Let's go, guys. You got 30 seconds. Don't shoot through that, man. You got 15 seconds.
Blind fire, boy.
You just got to go for it, man. If the timer ends, both of you are dead. Don't blind fire. 5, 4, 3. He's hit 2. 2, 1. All right, both of you are out. All right, let's get fresh 2 on 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch for dead guys. 2 on 2. 30 seconds. He's hit. 10 seconds. All right, he's out. He's out. He's out. They're both out. They're both out. You're both out too, though. Your guy died. 2 on 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Fresh 2. I would go in there. I would go on that side just to get some action. Thirty seconds. Whoop. He's hit. 1 on 1. All right, you're out. Both of you are out since your guy died. 2 on 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, 2 on 2. Watch for dead guys.
Ty, this window right here, right in front of me.
He's hit. All right, they're both out. You guys stay. Fresh 2 over here, go.
What's up, Ed?
Watch it. Be on guard every time. You got 20 seconds. Ten, 9. All right, go back. You guys are still in. Fresh 2 over here. Go. Watch for dead guys. Be on guard at all times. He's hit. There's one guy left. He's hit. All right, step back a little bit. Fresh 2 over here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Be on guard at all times. They could be right there. They could be right there. Watch out. I said be on guard, man. Huh? You can do whatever, man. Just keep you going. 10 seconds. 10 seconds and you're both out. So you better just go do it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. All right, both of you are out. Fresh 2 on 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch for dead guys. He's hit. All right, get out. Hurry up. "30 seconds. "15 seconds. Both of you will die if you don't get hit. Let's go get him. There's one guy. He's hit. You guys stay. Go back over there a little bit. 2 fresh. Go right now. Don't stay. Wait, just back up a little bit. Just back up a little bit.